What's up guys, my name is Denis and welcome to the Happy Friday series. Happy Fridays won't be dedicated that much to reviews, that's why I'm still keeping our Wednesdays for tech reviews, but I just want to show you another picture of me as vlogger. This time I'm doing something different, something that I had in mind for some time now. Fridays will be more focused on vlogging and videography, but yes, I will still include something to review here and there. That doesn't mean that I will do that every Friday, because Wednesdays are here for our reviews. That's why I will be more focused on videography, as I said before. There is a lot of upcoming material in that matter, but let's focus now on what we are here today. So 2 weeks ago Panasonic had a competition and the winner was supposed to get a panoramic flight over Ljubljana. Ljubljana is the capital city of Slovenia. Now let's see how it was. Hey guys, guess where we are going today? I was not on the right place. General Aviation Terminal, something like that. They told me where to go and let's see if I'm on the correct way. Was crazy. At first when I saw that I won, I said myself, okay, I will take my camera with me, I'm gonna do some shots for the first episode of Happy Fridays, of course. But there was another surprise for me. When I came on the airport, the guys from Panasonic Slovenia also gave me headphones. So I said, okay, this will be for, I don't know, maybe some commercial or something. But no, they gave me them forever, therefore I'm gonna do a review on Wednesday. And again, thank you Panasonic Slovenia for this kindness, for giving me opportunity to go on panoramic flight over Ljubljana. Ljubljana is beautiful from sky, I must say. And thank you guys for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to press on the like button. And that's it. See you in the next video. Peace!